Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Discord phone verification is not working, like you're not receiving the SMS code or your number is being rejected, don't worry. This is a common issue and we'll fix it step by step. Step 1, check your phone number format. Make sure you enter your number with the correct country code. Avoid extra spaces, dashes, or leading zeros that shouldn't be there. Step 2, ensure your number isn't already used. Discord may block numbers that are already linked to another account or used too many times. If possible, try a different mobile number. Step 3, disable VPN or proxy. VPNs can trigger security systems and block verification. Turn off any VPN or proxy before requesting the code. Step 4, check mobile signal and SMS settings. Make sure your phone has a strong signal and can receive regular SMS messages. Also ensure SMS blocking or spam filters aren't active. Step 5, wait before retrying. Too many attempts in a short time can temporarily block verification. Wait at least 10 to 15 minutes before requesting another code. Step 6, restart your device. A quick restart can fix network or messaging glitches that stop SMS codes from arriving. Step 7, try Discord on another device or browser. Sometimes browser issues prevent verification from completing. Switch browsers or use the mobile app. Step 8, contact Discord support. If the number still fails, go to Discord support and submit a request. Include your country, carrier, and a screenshot of the error. Most phone verification issues happen due to number formatting, reuse limits, VPN use, or carrier SMS blocks. These steps solve the majority of cases. Follow them, and your Discord phone verification should work smoothly again. See you in the next guide.